This is a 1942 Monarch engine lathe. This unit is 7.5 horsepower. It can go either 220 or 440. Currently it is weighted for 220. As you can see, this model has every option. It has the square turret, we have the taper attachment, we have tailstock, we have 2 steady rests. If you come over here to the floor, we have collets, we have the speed chuck that goes with it, 2 additional tool post holders, we have a faceplate, a 3-jaw chuck, and a 4-jaw chuck. This unit also has coolant. The cool pump has just been rebuilt. This is the old style cool pump with the brass impeller and lead packing. Everything works great on it. Right now it's primed with oil, but I'm not going to run it for the video. Lever over here switches you your feeds from forward to reverse. Actually, let me speed this up a little bit. Very easily adjusted on this. Pull the cotter pin and tighten the nut. These feeds pretty much will never ever wear out on this machine. Nice and tight. This is how you reverse the feeds in this machine. This unit does not have reverse in the spindle. Some models came with it, some didn't. If you do want to add it, all you have to do is just add a barrel switch right next to your on and off switch to reverse the rotation of the motor. Now I just disengage the feed shaft and engage the lead screw. The half nuts are in excellent shape. Same with the threading. All the ranges work perfectly. We go in nice and easy.
So you're going to the lobby, please. Go to the lobby for customer assistance.
This is our Monarch engine.